That's interesting. What could this be? Let's see. New robot model, Slick Slime Sam? Interesting. Let's play. Oh!
Greetings, Susan, version 1.0. I'm your new robot helper.
Nice to meet you, but I was fine with normal Sam. Can you bring him back?
Ha ha. But Sam won't come back until we complete a task together.
What task?
To build a robot, of course. I can't leave both of you alone like this.
Sammy, you could just tell me that you want to make a new craft. Come on.
That easy? Oh. Let's go, Susan. I'm happy you agreed.
Huh. I see that someone here is already prepared.
Sure. I thought about everything, Susan.
Sammy, I'd be grateful if you could turn off this weird voice.
Huh. Okay. Is this better now?
Much better. Thanks. Snap. We won't need these for now. And with this, we can already start working. Hey, Sammy, look what we've got here.
Jill, are we making a car? Why do we need wheels?
And what are your thoughts?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Tell me. To me, it looks like a future car.
Actually, I liked your mechanical walk so much that I decided to make a moving robot.
Ah, so this is its leg? It's almost my size.
We'll need these cardboard parts to make the legs for our robot. The parts are cut from one side so they can be bent easily.
Jill, let's upgrade me. I'll move even faster with wheels.
Do you want to be completely elusive, Sammy? I think you're already very speedy. Isn't that enough? And this motor goes right here. Let's add some glue here. Guys, be careful, it's hot. We'll attach the flexible part to this side. There you go.
Whoa, check out these legs. I could defo fit inside.
Are you going to control the robot from inside? Let's not make any experiments. Look, one leg is almost ready. Just a little bit more.
Aha! I see a wheel popping out down there. Guys, don't forget about this important part.
And now we'll need a wooden skewer and plastic caps. Oh, someone already worked on them. Sammy?
What? I thought you left them so I could make wheels for me.
Sammy, we really need the caps for the wheels, but not yours. Our robot needs an additional pair of moving elements.
Yeah!
Wait a sec. Let's make the hole carefully. We'll insert the skewer inside like this. There you go. We'll throw some spears in some other place.
Well, okay. I'll drink my blackberry cocktail then.
Oh, I need this. And… pop. Look what we've got. We'll add them to our skewer like this. Right. Let's see. Next, go to the caps, which we'll fix with another straw piece. This is what I need. Don't rush here. Move slowly so you don't damage the cardboard. We'll remove the excess. Be careful and ask an adult to help. There you go. And don't spare the glue. Secure it well. And finally, we'll upgrade the legs using these parts.
I also did a great job, Sue. Did it come out similar enough?
It's the exact copy, Sam. You're a true robotics expert. Up. And now comes a very important part. We'll cut a door in the body. Guys, be careful with the sharp tools. And done. Now I'll wrap this part around this cardboard circle. Sammy! Sammy, what does it look like?
Looks like a cylindrical box.
Bingo! This will serve as the body of our robot. We need to make the door sturdier with the help of glue. We'll cover the whole surface. Up, 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 up. Ta-da! And stop. Sammy, check out this trick. Ooh! Done!
Not bad, not bad. Now watch me! Rats, hats, door, smacks.
Sammy, we're magicians. And now let's test it. Oh, hi!
Yeah, but you still have lots to learn from me.
Oh, this snob slime, Sam. Guys, we'll come back to this part a little later.
So I tackled this puzzle. Assemble this boxiest stuff.
Whoa! It looks really awesome. You came up with special magic, Sammy. But let's proceed with the gluing. Here comes the first finger. By the way, do these robot hands remind you of something?
Huh? No, not really.
Think a bit harder. I'll give you a hint. You like them very much.
I like a lot of things. That's a bad hint.
Maybe this will be a good hint?
Huh. I got it. Its hands are just like a real robot.
Now on to the second hand. A bit of glue and done. Now we'll connect the hand to the arm. You can become a robot technician even at home. We'll help you with that.
Yeah, give a thumbs up if you dream about building a robot. I already gave one. Guys, now we'll tell you how to cook the robot at home.
Sammy, first we'll prepare the left leg. And now the right leg. Like this. Next we'll attach the arms. Da-da-da-da-da!
Oh la la! We just need to add some French seasoning.
Chef, I think we forgot something.
Yes, let's pause our cooking show, but we'll come back in the next videos.
While Sam wasn't around, I made 2 surprises for him. I'll show you now. First, our robot will have a remote control. And the second surprise…
What surprise? Who said a word starting with S?
No. I said that we need to assemble the head. It will be easier to make it, right, Sammy?
I can do it with my eyes closed. Well, this goes here and now here. Right. So I'm done. Oh, still looking good.
Wow, Sam, it came out awesome! Guys, while Sam isn't listening, I'll tell you about the second secret. Our robot will have adorable glowing eyes. Can you imagine that? Be careful with the soldering tool. Ask an adult to help. Now let's wrap the cardboard around the plexiglass. Don't rush. Move carefully here. And here's our adorable eye. Let's add some glue. We need to do it like this. Make sure it doesn't go over the edges, otherwise the robot's eyes will look a little messy. And… hop! It's a perfect fit! But our robot can't be one-eyed.
I'm sure that Sue's hiding something from me. Interesting. And, what's this thing? Very suspicious.
Sammy?
Wasn't me.
Sammy, you scared me!
Sorry, Sue. I wanted to have a sneak peek of what you're doing here.
And why would you be peeking?
I think that you're hiding something from me. Why does our robot have a tail?
Sammy, it's not a tail. I wanted to make a remote control and lights. That was the surprise.
Wow, that's so cool. I'm ready to help you. Sue, I was making rollerblades for myself, and I'm ready to sacrifice this cardboard piece. Sue, our robot will have some unusual anatomy, right?
Right, Sammy. Our robot will be the most unusual and beautiful one. Here we'll attach this round part. Now we'll glue the upper lid. This hole is for the wires. There you go. The heads are ready. Our city needs new heroes.
Sue, do we look cool?
So guys, now we'll get to the most interesting part. Thanks to the styrofoam and the spring, we'll be able to control our robot. There you go. We also need parts made from bobby pins. We'll attach them right here. Don't forget to secure them really well.
Oh, Sue, do I look like an alien?
That imagination of yours. Now we'll add more metal and electricity. Here goes our styrofoam spring construction. And… hop!
I made the second button.
Whoa, Sammy! You even made the handle!
Here's one for you, too.
Oh, thanks! Now they'll be identical. Let's glue the second button like this. soon we can play! It works so nicely! I love it! Let's add some flexible cardboard. This way our controller will look more realistic. Just a little more to go. And done!
Shoo! It's time to connect our robot to the controller.
Now we'll solder the wires to the controller. Be very careful here, guys. Do not do this alone. Ask an adult to help. It can be real dangerous. And we're almost there. I always enjoy this part of the craft. Here is our last wire.
Sue, I guess these wires will also come in handy.
Sure, and we'll use some magic to connect them.
Don't forget about the power!
Hooray! Let's hurry up and test it already. We'll connect the heart of our robot just like this. So, Sammy, are you ready?
Always ready.
Here we go. It's working! Let's cover our controller. We'll add the label to our robot. Now we'll test the button.
Meet our one and only contender to win, Sue!
Hi!
And her robot. Tell us a few words about today's event. Not a very sociable competitor. Well, let's wish luck to our participants!
So let's show what we can do, Mr. Robot. And now comes the best trick, the turnarounds. Yay!
I think we found our winner today! My congratulations!
Woohoo! Thanks, Sammy. Oh, it's such an honor. I'm happy to receive this award, and special thanks go to my helper, Sam, and to you guys. You're the best viewers. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe to our channel.
And now let's take a picture with our winners. Like this.